Every morning I wake up with big plans. Today I'll study for 4 hours. Today I'll edit my video on time. Today I won't waste time on my phone. But by the end of the day I realize I failed again. I procrastinated, I got distracted, I wasted time. And this is not just my story. This is the story of millions of students, creators, and dreamers struggling to manage their time. We all want to be productive. We all want to achieve something great. But why do we keep failing? Because nobody teaches us self-management. Today I'll tell you how. I am struggling, improving, and learning to manage my time, studies, YouTube, and personal life so that you can do it too. This is the ultimate guide to self-management. Let's begin. The biggest killer of success is not lack of talent. It's not even a lack of motivation. It's procrastination. I still remember the days when I would sit down to study but suddenly feel hungry. Or when I was about to edit my video but my phone notifications distracted me. One small distraction and boom, hours are gone. And the worst part, guilt. That feeling of regret at the end of the day when you realize you did nothing important. I realized that the secret to breaking procrastination is not motivation but momentum. I started using the 5-second rule. Whenever I felt lazy, I counted 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and immediately started my task before my brain made excuses. Try this today. The moment you feel like delaying something, count 5 to 1 and just start. There was a time when I thought I was managing my time well. I had a schedule, I had goals. I told myself, I'll start studying at 5 p.m. I'll edit my video after dinner. I'll sleep early today. But every time something unexpected happened, 5 p.m. came and I felt tired. Dinner was over but YouTube shorts kept me scrolling. Bedtime arrived but my phone kept me awake. And at the end of the day, I told myself tomorrow I'll be better. But here's the truth. Tomorrow never comes. Because the biggest lie we tell ourselves is I'll do it later. Later becomes tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes next week. And before you know it, another year is gone. I stopped relying on willpower and started using forced deadlines. Instead of saying I'll study at 5 p.m., I told myself, at 5 p.m. my books must be open and my phone must be out of reach. Instead of hoping to edit my video after dinner, I said no dinner until my video is halfway edited. I didn't give myself a choice to delay. The lesson: your future is not ruined by big failures. It's ruined by the small moments where you say I'll do it later. I used to believe that intelligence is equal to success. I thought the smartest people always win, but I was wrong. Because I've seen top students fail in real life. I've seen talented people go nowhere. I've seen hard-working people stay stuck. And when I looked deeper, I found one simple truth. Most people never finish what they start. They start studying with full energy. They start a new project with excitement. They start a new habit with motivation. But after a few days, they slow down. After a few weeks, they stop. They don't fail because they're not smart. They fail because they never complete the race. I started using the 5-minute rule for boring tasks. If I don't feel like studying, I tell myself just study for 5 minutes. If I don't feel like editing, I say just edit for 5 minutes. And guess what? Once I start, I keep going. Because starting is the hardest part. Just focus on taking the first step. If you're struggling to finish what you start, don't focus on the full race. Imagine this. You wake up and instantly check your phone. Your mind gets flooded with messages, notifications, and random content. Before you even brush your teeth, your brain is already overloaded. And then you wonder, why can't I focus? Why do I feel tired all the time? Why can't I control my habits? The answer: your mind is completely unorganized. We always focus on organizing our schedule, but we forget to organize our mind. I stopped using my phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. I started journaling for 2 minutes every night, writing down 3 things. What I did well today, what I need to improve, one task for tomorrow. This simple habit made me mentally clear and emotionally stable. So, if your mind feels like a chaotic mess, don't ignore it. Start clearing it daily and you'll see your self-control improve overnight. There was a time when I relied too much on motivation. I would watch self-improvement videos and feel super inspired. I would say, from tomorrow I'll change my life. But after 2 days, that motivation disappeared, and I was back to my old habits. That's when I realized the biggest truth. Motivation is a temporary emotion. Discipline is a lifelong habit. I created a simple rule: never break the chain. If I study today, I must study tomorrow. If I work on YouTube today, I must do something tomorrow. Even on my worst day, I must do at least 5 minutes of work. Because discipline is not about doing 100 every day. It's about never letting yourself drop to zero. And once you stop breaking the chain, you become unstoppable. Right now, you might be feeling motivated after watching this video. You might be thinking, yes, I will change my life. But let me tell you the truth, this feeling will fade. Maybe in a few hours, maybe in a few days. And when that happens, you'll have two choices. Wait for motivation to come back, build discipline, and take action even when you don't feel like it. Success is not about who gets the most motivated. Success is about who keeps going when motivation's gone. So don't just feel inspired. Take action. Start managing yourself today. Because if you don't control your time, someone else will.